In this video, we review Metatrader versus Ninjatrader. Have you used Metatrader or Ninjatrader before? What was your experience? Leave your Metatrader or Ninjatrader review in the comments section below. Metatrader and TradingView are two of the most popular trading platforms, but they serve distinct trading needs. Metatrader, especially MT4, dominates in algorithmic trading and is heavily favored by Forex and CFD traders. Over 70% of Forex brokers support Metatrader, making it one of the most accessible platforms for those looking to execute automated trades across a wide range of assets. TradingView, on the other hand, has carved out a niche as the go-to platform for charting and social trading, boasting an extensive library of over 8,500 user-generated indicators and scripts. Metatrader's strengths lie in its robust automation tools and compatibility with expert advisors, EAs, essential for traders relying on algorithmic or high-frequency trading. Users can customize trading strategies using MetaQuote's language, MQL, and the platform supports integrations with third-party indicators and trading tools. For those with extensive programming experience, Metatrader offers flexibility unmatched by TradingView. However, Metatrader's interface is often described as outdated, with limited in-platform educational resources compared to newer trading solutions. TradingView's standout feature is its advanced charting capabilities. Built with accessibility in mind, TradingView uses PineScript, a user-friendly language that allows even novice traders to create and share scripts. TradingView is ideal for manual trading and social engagement, offering real-time idea sharing across a community of over 50 million traders. While TradingView's charting interface is widely regarded as one of the best, it supports only about 16 brokers for direct trading. This limitation can be frustrating for users who must manually place trades on other platforms after analyzing charts. In terms of pricing, Metatrader is typically free as long as a broker offers support, though some premium indicators and tools come at additional cost. TradingView, while offering a basic free tier, has subscription-based pro plans to access features like multiple chart layouts and advanced backtesting. For professional traders needing real-time data, these costs add up, with TradingView subscriptions potentially becoming more expensive over time. Both platforms offer distinct communities, but TradingView's in-app social features surpass Metatrader's. Metatrader users often rely on external forums and broker-specific communities, whereas TradingView enables users to view, discuss, and rate each other's trading ideas directly within the platform. This real-time feedback loop fosters a collaborative environment, especially valuable for beginners looking to learn through observation. In summary, Metatrader's depth in automated trading, extensive broker support, and wide asset range make it a strong choice for professional, algorithm-focused traders. TradingView, with its intuitive charting tools and active social network, appeals to traders who prioritize chart analysis and community engagement. Each platform has clear advantages: Metatrader for its execution capabilities and TradingView for charting and community. The best choice ultimately depends on whether the trader values algorithmic trading and broker support or interactive charting and social features.